Side Hustle Ideas 2026. I tried 7, so you don't have to. Everyone is talking about side hustles. It's everywhere. You see it on TikTok. You hear about it on podcasts. Your feed is probably flooded with so-called gurus telling you how to quit your job by next month. They show flashy cars. They show luxury vacations. They scream you can make $10,000 a week working from your couch. The hype is deafening. Massive noise. Hard to know what's real and what's a sales pitch designed to take your money. Most of this is just talk, smoke and mirrors. People are selling dreams, not practical advice. They promise the world, but deliver confusion and an empty wallet. I spent 30 days testing 7 side hustles. Real time, real money, real results. Only 3 actually made me money. 4 were complete wastes of time. I'm here to show you exactly what happened. This bombardment makes it feel impossible to get started. You feel like you're already behind. You think the opportunity is past. You're told you need thousands of followers, a fancy website, a big budget just to begin. That's the big lie. I'm here to cut through the noise. I've seen this pattern before. It happened with crypto. It happened with dropshipping. Now it's happening again with the 2026 side hustle gold rush. New trend appears. Opportunists sell complexity. They make it sound harder than it is. They sell expensive courses. They sell useless software. They prey on your desire for a better life. They don't want you to know the simple truth. You can make money with side hustles. You can start right now without being an expert. This isn't about becoming a millionaire by next Tuesday. It's about something real, tangible side income, an extra few hundred a month, maybe even a few thousand. Build something that gives you a little more freedom, a little more security. Here's my promise to you. Over the next 10 minutes, I'm going to give you a step-by-step breakdown. No fluff, no theory, no get-rich-quick nonsense. This is a practical, actionable blueprint based on my own experiments. This is the problem promise-proof framework in action. Problem: the overwhelming side hustle hype. Promise: this clear, honest breakdown. Proof: the money I actually made, and the money you can make too. Before we dive into the specific hustles, we need a framework. We need a way to filter out the noise and focus on what actually works. I don't want you chasing shiny objects. I want you building something sustainable, even on a small scale. After testing 7 different side hustles, I found that the ones that made money all shared 4 key characteristics. These are my 4 rules for picking a winning side hustle. Rule number 1, low startup cost. You shouldn't have to spend hundreds of dollars before you've even made a dime. If a side hustle requires you to buy inventory, pay for ads, or invest in expensive software before your first dollar, it fails this test. Rule number 2, fast setup. Your time is valuable. You don't have weeks or months to develop a complex product or service. You should be able to go from idea to your first offering in a single weekend. Speed is your biggest advantage when you're just starting out. Rule number 3, clear customer. Who are you selling to? If you can't answer this question in one sentence, your idea is too complicated. Everyone is not a customer. Small businesses is getting warmer, but it's still too broad. Struggling real estate agents who need more leads from social media. Now that's a clear customer. Rule number 4, repeatable delivery. You need a process you can execute over and over again. Your service can't be a unique masterpiece every single time. That's not a side hustle. That's a high-stress art project. You need a system, a template, a workflow. These 4 rules, low cost, fast setup, clear customer, repeatable delivery, are your compass. Everything that follows either passes all 4 or fails. The first hustle that passed all 4 tests? AI-powered content creation, specifically creating short-form video scripts and content ideas for niche creators and small businesses. Every single business, every single creator is desperate for more content. They need ideas for TikToks, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, but they're burned out, they're uninspired, they're too busy. This is a massive, painful problem you can solve using simple AI tools. The customer is clear: life coaches who need motivational video scripts, local coffee shops that want engaging reels about daily specials, financial advisors who want to break down complex topics into simple 60-second videos. Setup is incredibly fast. You create a simple 1-page PDF outlining your packages. Package 1, 15 short-form video ideas with hooks, $50. Package 2, 5 fully written video scripts, $100. You use free AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude. Your job is to curate, edit, and refine the output. Add your human touch. What about the money? In my first 30 days, I made $480 from this hustle alone. I landed 5 clients. 2 bought the ideas package, 3 bought the scripts package. The key was a repeatable process, a prompt template for generating ideas and another for writing scripts. I could deliver high-quality work in under an hour per client. This one works. It's my top recommendation for beginners. The second hustle that actually made money: AI-powered resume and LinkedIn revamps. Millions of people are looking for jobs or trying to advance their careers right now. They know they need a polished resume. They need a compelling LinkedIn profile. Most are terrible at writing about themselves. They don't know which keywords get past automated screening software. A great resume can be the difference between getting an interview and being ignored completely. You can be the one to solve this. Your customer: recent college graduates, career changers moving into tech, mid-level managers looking for their next promotion. The setup is straightforward. Feed a client's existing resume into ChatGPT. Rewrite using the STAR method. Situation, task, action, result. Your role is the expert human editor. Refine the language. Ensure the tone is right. Format it into a clean, professional template. In 30 days, I earned $600 from this hustle. I charged $150 per client for a resume and LinkedIn package. That's only 4 clients to hit that number. I found my first clients by posting on my own LinkedIn feed, offering to help a few people at a discounted beta rate to get testimonials. The demand was immediate. The third hustle: creating and selling AI image packs. Visuals are everything online. Bloggers need featured images. Social media campaigns need cohesive graphics. YouTubers need unique thumbnails. Many creators don't have the time or skill to create these themselves. Stock photos are generic and expensive. Using AI image generators like Leonardo AI, which has a generous free tier, you can create stunning, unique images tailored to specific niches. Fantasy art packs for D&D content creators. Aesthetic food photography for food bloggers. Cyberpunk backgrounds for Twitch streamers. 50 unique, high-resolution, commercially licensed images for $25. Create once, sell many times. That's a passive income model. I made $310 from passive sales in my first month. 3 image packs, listed on Gumroad, promoted on Reddit and Twitter. The work is front-loaded. It can continue making you money for months. So those are the 3 that worked. Total, won $390 in 30 days from 3 side hustles that passed all 4 rules. Not life-changing money, but real money. Tangible, repeatable, scalable income. Now let's talk about the 4 that failed. Failure number 1, dropshipping. I know, everyone talks about it. Here's what they don't tell you. The margins are brutal. You're competing with factories that sell directly to consumers on Amazon. Ad costs eat your profit. Customer service is a nightmare. I spent $80 on a trial store and made 0 sales. It failed rule 1, low startup cost, before it even started. Failure number 2, print-on-demand t-shirts. Sounds easy. Upload a design, let the platform handle everything. Here's the reality. The market is flooded. Your designs get buried in search. The platforms take most of the profit. I made $12 in 30 days. 1 sale, to a friend who felt sorry for me. It failed rule 3. No clear customer. People who like funny shirts is not a customer. Failure number 3. Filling out online surveys. This one is the biggest scam in the side hustle space. They advertise, make money from your couch. What they don't say is you'll earn about $2 an hour. I spent a week completing surveys and made $23. It failed rule 4. There's no repeatable system to scale. You're just trading time for pennies. Failure number 4, buying and flipping domains. The idea is simple. Buy a domain cheap, sell it for more. The reality, every good domain is already taken. You're left guessing at obscure combinations that nobody wants. I bought 3 domains for $30 total. Sold 0. They're still sitting in my account. It failed rule 2. The setup isn't fast, and the payoff is unpredictable. Alright, let's get into the nuts and bolts. Ideas are great, but execution is what gets you paid. I'm not going to tell you to go out and spend $1,000 on fancy software. That's not the game we're playing. We are starting lean. We are starting smart. For text-based hustles, content creation and resume writing, your number 1 tool is a large language model. ChatGPT's free version is a workhorse. Fast, creative, perfect for generating drafts. Claude's free tier has a larger context window, which is perfect for analyzing a whole resume at once. For the AI image pack hustle, Leonardo AI is the best free option. Generous daily credits, more than enough to generate your first few packs. Beyond the core AI, you need Canva, non-negotiable, service menus, resume templates, cover images for your packs, Google Sheets for tracking clients and earnings, Google Drive for file delivery. Your entire tech stack, your entire business infrastructure can be built for literally $0. No more excuses. Let's recap. I tested 7 side hustles for 30 days. 3 worked, 4 failed. The 3 that worked, AI content creation, resume revamps, and image packs, all passed the 4 rules. Low cost, fast setup, clear customer, repeatable delivery. They generated $1,190 combined in my first month. The 4 that failed all broke at least one rule. That's not a coincidence. The framework works. Use it. Your job, listen, learn, execute. Don't just watch and move on. Don't consume this passively. Take notes, make a decision, start building, pick one hustle, just one. Spend this weekend setting it up. Get your first client next week. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need a big budget. You need action. Do your own research. Make choices aligned with your financial goals. Potential for real returns exists. So does the risk of wasting your time on the wrong hustle. That's why I did this, so you don't have to. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more passive income content, and drop a comment below. Which of these 7 side hustles surprised you the most? I read every single one, and I'm building the next video based on what you want to see tested next. This is Passive Income Journey 777. Let's get to work. Everyone is talking about side hustles. It's everywhere. You see it on TikTok. You hear about it on podcasts. Your feed is probably flooded with so-called gurus telling you how to quit your job by next month.